Hey, Headstarters. My name is Ernest, the user Sean from Johannesburg, South Africa. Today, we're building an app called the Pantry Tracker. Um, let's just go through the resources based on what we're supposed to have. It was actually led by Bill. Bill asked us to build this Pantry Tracker. We're supposed to have Next.js on it, React, Firebase, when they're supposed to use Google Cloud Platform, and they're supposed to use Vercel, and we're supposed to use OpenAI, and we're supposed to use deploy this on the various platforms using a CI/CD pipeline. So, so basically, what we have, yeah, I'm using Git Bash for the sake of because my computer is not really stable that much, so I don't really trust it that much. So I like Git Bash for its lightweight. It's lightweight, so I do use VS Code from time to time. But for the sake of this video, we're going to use Git Bash to run the development server. Um, I have deployed it. I'm sure you can see that I've deployed it on Vercel. But for this, the simplicity of my machine right now, I want to run it locally. So I've already copied it locally on localhost. So let's launch it up. So meanwhile we're waiting for it to launch up, remember that we use Next.js, we use React, we use Firebase, Google Cloud Platform, we're using Vercel, we used OpenAI, and we're using a CI/CD pipeline. And on top of that, I also use Material UI as a framework on top of Next.js. So we're good to go. Let's wait for it to load up. Oh, and by the way, this is my code base, and I'm sure you can see that I have my Vercel configuration file here, and I also have my GitHub workflows there, and I also have my Docker file because I want to create a Docker image, and then I also have my cloud build YAML there. Okay, our app is loading, so let me just say buns here, and then I'll add them, let's say what, 7 buns, and then I'll add them there. I'm sure you can see that they're appearing there, and then I'll do what, um I'll say banana, um I'll say what, 12, and then add it there. What else do I want? Let's say choose, right? I'll say what, 3, right? So each time I run this, I'll be able to add these in the inventory. And then if I so desire that I want to do something about it, maybe I'll update it. Probably, who knows? Let's say I update it then to, I'll update it to that. It updates itself, right? And then let's say no, I don't want this item. I can also delete it, and there it's gone, right? And then I can also go to these other items, um, and edit them, and then I'll also be able to delete them. Go to the other item, I'll be able to delete them. So it's a simple app. It's a simple app. Thank you.